Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today this video is not about a place I'm visiting. It is about Delhi Metro. I just came out of Delhi Metro's Magenta line, IIT station. So I wanted to talk about Delhi Metro because I've been using it for many years. I think it is one of the few good things about Delhi. It has been truly world class, but in the last 18 months the service has gone down drastically. Let me show you this video, which was from last evening at 8 o'clock at Hauskas metro station, and you see the massive crowds. You see so many people, and it is not just inconvenient, it also seemed risky. So let me just show you this video which I took last night, and then I will talk more about Delhi Metro. So have a look at this video. You saw the video. There is a problem. This is everyday occurrence on Magenta line, and I'm told on Pink line also and other metro lines. And the reason is very simple. It is created. The problem is created by Delhi Metro management. They have drastically reduced the frequency of trains. So earlier a train would come in 2 minutes and there won't be much rush. But now on Magenta line, even at peak hours, it comes in 6-7 minutes. And if it is off peak, like in the afternoon, I was just traveling on Magenta line from Parlam to IIT, and I reached the platform and there was a 7-minute wait. Now this had never happened before. I have been using metro for more than 10 years. This is unheard of, and it is disappointing because Delhi Metro is otherwise a great service. It was so efficiently run, but this problem has been there for like 18 months now, and I wish more people would talk about it. That is the purpose of making this video. Everyone can do their bit. You can write to them on their customer complaint email ID. If you have an email, you can send them an email talking about the problem you face. In case you are facing a problem, you can tag them on Twitter, which is now called X. You can tag them and on different social media platforms, and you can share this video with other people, because this problem is becoming really almost out of hand. I mean, imagine such massive crowds. Apart from inconvenience, it's also not safe. And imagine this is like South Delhi, like the heart of Delhi, the most developed part of Delhi, and we are facing this. So forgive my rant, because I am ranting about Delhi Metro because I suffer every day. I come to the platform, it shows once actually at IIT Metro, it showed a wait time of 14 minutes at around 9 o'clock in the evening. So you can imagine how bad it is. So please, if you can contribute by sharing your experiences, talking about it, writing to Delhi Metro management, and let's bring about a change, because it's our service. I mean, we have this is one of the world-class services we have. So let's do something about it. And one more point, the question is, why would Delhi Metro management reduce the frequency? Well, I think they are reducing the frequency because they want to be profitable. But they are forgetting one thing: Delhi Metro is a public service. It gets subsidies, grants, concessions from the government, because government wants to promote the usage of metro. Government wants people to stop using their cars and motorcycles and use metro. Now, if Delhi Metro has to behave like a corporation only driven by profits, then there's a conflict. So I think somebody in the government also needs to take this up and hold Delhi Metro management accountable for this big mess they are creating, because it's a big mess, and I wish more people would talk about it. No one is talking about it, but I think more people should talk about it. Media should cover it. Media is covering non-issues. I wish they would cover real issues, because every day 26 I think millions of people use it. Maybe 2.6 million people use it every day. I have checked the data. So imagine the number of people who are suffering because of this one stupid thing, because Delhi Metro wants to be profitable at any cost, even if it means people are suffering. commuters are suffering, even if it means their safety is compromised. Now this is not done. So I wish I'm making this video to make people aware that it is your right to demand good service from Delhi Metro, and you can do your bit. Do not depend or wait for others to do it. I think we should do it ourselves. So thank you very much for watching my rant. I am saying this because I'm really fed up. I'm really fed up. I don't want to stop using metro, but they are forcing me to start using my car. And that's a pity. It would be a sad day when people like me, who have been supporting Delhi Metro for more than 10 years, are now forced to start using our cars again. Very sad. So I wish more people see this video and talk about it. There should be more discussion and debate about it. And if there are genuine reasons that Delhi Metro management has of reducing frequency, they should come up with it and they should share it. I write to them many times and they say no, there is no problems. There is no issue in terms of frequency. It is as per the ridership. So I'm baffled what's going on there. So thank you very much for your patience, for listening to my rant. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you.